You know, that moment when they say bad things happen to good people, this is exactly what is happening to Lisoka Letu. Oh my God, he is so much in debt. He is so much inside the wrong things, and it's so embarrassing because now, if Umusa gets to find out, Guti, this is the kind of life that he's currently living. Kuri umotla horbona, wena khalesela ne uigero kare wena uskun pampiri, kantili wena wa tsena mo maragarageng amaso. And as it is, I think he's falling into depression because he wakes up, leaves his wife, and said he's gonna fix everything, and then goes sit with Umulife and then get drunk. From there, says no, I'm late for umsebenzi, pretend to be going to work. And the people that work with Umulife, they can tell what no man, angeke umuntu avuke ekuseni ngesikhathi sokuya emsebenzini azophuza utshwala maqeda ukuphuza utshwala bese athi yena uye esipanini kanjani ema-ofisini notshwala njani isebenza kanjani lento. It can't happen. So now manje it's now ringing kumlife ukuthi no go kare go na le ntho e sa aparang tshiamomo fa go na le ntho e sa tsamayeng sharp. So I think maybe Umlife is going to try and assist, but I don't know how. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing House of Zwide. Ndibatikwana sanibona abshen malweni minjani hipukire hingongwina. So namuhla ka nongokwa hina wa House of Zwide hikuma kurusula tsamsekangi kahle, looking at the fact that Umampo is not really doing very well. She is actually going through a lot. After a conversation that she had with Onali Runamulapo yesterday, she decided to take it to her mother because the situation it's not even coming down. So she decided to go and speak to her mother and tell the mother, situation ibuima. Ashifa umutlankana ashuwe hakiti ugowa wuma depression utena modi kubonka kadiaparo ubua lady like agujwala agumajwal. So Mewahai, you know what? You are the right candidate to speak to your husband because remember, now you are Mrs. Zulu and everything that your husband is going through needs to be communicated to you, for you, with you, because now you are the center of the show because you are now married to him, legally so. So he should be able to speak to you. He should be able to but I don't know if that would work because it's like there's nobody who's intervening. And besides, he is not really opening up to anyone by himself. The problem is, this 50,000 that he took from Onalerona is a problem because lawyer your things are not looking good. Chances of you going to jail are 50-50. Because mina I'm not a criminal, and thereafter I can even try and make it up to them, try and show them I'm not a criminal, I'm not a bad person. So again, but it looks like it's not really looking good. At the end of the day, Umampo is gonna know ukuthi lo muntu akanamsebenzi. That is one. Number two, ufuna amaphoyisa. Number three, ukokoloda unalero namlapo chelede inolingana na 50,000 randa. That is a problem, especially to the ego yagamampo. Well, Councillor Mulapo seems to not have it easy. He told the wife that, you know what, I've spoken to the people, I told them that they must make appointment, only come and see me when it's necessary to do so, and the family was happy. Guess what? He spoke too soon. While he was still finishing the statement and asking the wife what is wrong, go. Councillor Mulapo too show. Oh my God. And when they come out, they realize a very long queue was waiting for him. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you on my next upload.